Welcome to Serene Shelter, your guide to creating a sanctuary that stands the test of time. Today we're exploring a significant question. Should you aim for a timeless home design or chase the latest trends? Trends may seem enticing, offering a quick fix to your design dilemmas. But they're fleeting, constantly changing, and can often leave you with a dated look that requires constant updates. On the other hand, timeless design is all about longevity. It's about creating a home that feels as fresh, stylish, and welcoming today as it will in 10, 20, or even 30 years. Timeless design isn't just about aesthetic appeal, it's also a smart financial decision. Opting for timeless pieces can save you a lot of money in the long run, as you won't need to constantly update your home to stay in line with the latest fads. Now that we've set the stage, let's delve into how you can make your home timeless and why you should stop chasing trends. So, what makes a home design timeless? Let's explore that. At the heart of timeless design are three key elements: neutral color schemes, classic furniture styles, and minimalism. Each of these components plays a crucial role in crafting a home that not only withstands the test of time, but also exudes an aesthetic appeal that is universally admired. Take neutral color schemes, for instance. They serve as a blank canvas, providing a backdrop that allows the other elements of your design to shine. Imagine a room painted in a soft shade of beige or gray. The color doesn't scream for attention. Instead, it humbly recedes into the background, allowing your carefully chosen furniture pieces and accessories to take center stage. Next, let's talk about classic furniture styles. These are pieces that have proven their worth over decades, even centuries. Think of a Chesterfield sofa or a Chippendale dining table. These items bring a sense of history and character into your home, telling a story of craftsmanship and elegance that never grows old. Lastly, we have minimalism. This isn't about living with the bare minimum. Rather, it's about making thoughtful choices, selecting only those items that serve a purpose or bring joy. It's about decluttering your space and your life, creating an environment that is calming and peaceful. Now imagine these elements coming together. A room bathed in a soft, neutral hue, furnished with classic pieces, and devoid of unnecessary clutter. It's a space that feels serene and comfortable, a place where you can truly relax and be yourself. And the best part? This design will remain relevant and appealing, long after the latest trends have faded away. Mastering these elements is the first step to creating a space that will continue to be cherished and admired for years to come. Now let's discuss why chasing trends can be more harm than good. We live in a world where everyone seems to be chasing the next best thing. This is especially true in the realm of home design. But have you ever stopped to consider the drawbacks of trend chasing? One of the major pitfalls of trend chasing is the constant need for updates. Trends come and go, and what's hot today may be out of style tomorrow. This constant cycle can leave you feeling like your home is never quite finished, leading to an endless cycle of updates and renovations. Another downside is the cost. Keeping up with the latest trends can be a drain on your wallet. Every new trend brings with it a slew of new products, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement and find yourself spending more than you intended. And let's not forget the time and energy you'll invest in these frequent changes. And then, there's the potential for your home to look dated. Trends, by their very nature, are fleeting. They reflect a specific moment in time, and when that moment passes, your home could feel stuck in the past. But perhaps the most significant drawback is that trends may not suit everyone's personal style. Your home should be a reflection of who you are, not what's currently in vogue. When you chase trends, you risk losing your unique identity in the process. While it can be fun to incorporate some trendy elements, creating a home that is truly timeless is about finding a balance and staying true to your own style. With all this information, you're now equipped to make your home timeless. Let's recap. We've explored the art of timeless design, highlighting its enduring appeal and ability to transcend fleeting trends. We've delved into the pitfalls of trend chasing and how it can lead to a cycle of constant change and dissatisfaction. Remember, a timeless home is not about being stuck in the past. It's about incorporating elements that have proven their durability over decades, sometimes centuries. It's about creating a space that reflects your personal style and preferences, not what's in at the moment. On the other hand, trend chasing can leave you feeling perpetually out of step, always trying to catch up with the latest fads, only to find them outdated before long. It's a strategy that can be costly, both financially and emotionally. So as you move forward, think about how you can make your home a place that you'll love for years to come. A place that's not just trendy, but truly timeless. We'd love to hear your thoughts on timeless design versus trend chasing. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more home design insights. Until next time, here's to creating a home that's truly timeless.